Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming credentials, API key, endpoint, and any header requirements, because without them, calls fail. Once done, open Power BI Desktop and choose Get Data Web to begin. You select whether to use Get or Post, and whether the response will be JSON or CSV. This matters for parsing. Make sure to copy the exact endpoint and sample query parameters so you can test the first request immediately in Power BI's Web Connector. Next, you configure the query. In the Web Connector, switch to Advanced and paste the URL, set the HTTP method, add header key, value pairs, and include a body if post. Once Power BI retrieves sample data, use transform data to parse JSON into table, then expand records to flatten nested structures. You should then apply filters, set column data types, and remove extraneous fields so the model stays efficient. This reduces refresh time and prevents. Finally, load the cleaned query to your data model and publish to Power BI service to schedule refreshes. Choose refresh frequency and credentials there. Once done, convert credentials or endpoints into parameters so you can rotate API keys or handle pagination automatically. If something breaks, check HTTP status codes and error messages first, then ensure your gateway and credentials match service settings. Often the issue is expired keys or a 401.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.